How to use Xbox Rewards Program 2026. To use the Xbox Rewards Program in 2026, simply sign in with your Microsoft account and complete gameplay quests or activities. So, first of all, to earn the points, you simply have to play the games on daily basis on your control or PC for 15 minutes plus. And Xbox Game Pass Ultimate and Premium members can unlock exclusive quests and earn up to 100,000 points per year. And also within the Microsoft Store, make sure to purchase eligible games and add-ons or hardwares to earn reward points. Members with the Ultimate or Premium Pass can receive bonus multipliers up to 2 to 4 times. And you also have to use the Xbox application on your PC or mobile device to claim daily streaks or play games like Drill and complete social activities. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.